Welcome to our online classes. Let's learn about heat. Today you will learn define heat energy, enumerate the different sources of heat, describe how heat flows in solid materials. Heat. Heat is a form of energy that flows from a warmer material to a colder one. Picture this. Imagine a cup of hot chocolate on a table. If you put some ice cubes in the hot chocolate drink, what do you think will happen to the hot chocolate? What will happen to the ice cubes? The chocolate drink is hot while the ice cubes are cold. When mixed, the chocolate drink cools down and the ice cubes warm up and melt. Heat flows from the hot chocolate to the ice cubes. Temperature. If there is a difference in temperatures between two objects, heat flows. Temperature is a measurement of how hot or cold something is. Question. If you put a scoop of ice cream into a warm bowl, what will be the direction of the flow of heat? Heat flows from an object with a higher temperature object to one with a lower temperature. Since the ball is warmer than the ice cream, heat flows from the ball to the ice cream. Sources of heat. Sources of heat are objects that produce heat. They can be natural or artificial. Natural sources of heat occur naturally. Artificial sources of heat are man-made and are not found naturally. Natural sources of heat. Volcano. Sun. Hot spring. Artificial sources of heat. Hand dryer, oven. Hair dryer. How does heat flow in solids? Heat can flow through a solid. This movement is called conduction. Heat is conducted from the hot end of the solid to its cooler end. Conductors. Thermal conductors are objects that allow heat to flow easily through them. Metals such as copper, gold, and aluminum are conductors. Examples of conductors: copper, gold, aluminum. Insulators. Thermal insulators are objects that do not allow heat to flow easily through them. Fabric, wood, and foam are insulators. Examples of insulators: fabric, wood, foam. Let's recap. Today we learned, heat isn't just about feeling warm, it's the energy transfer that makes things hotter or colder. Conduction is the superhero of heat transfer. It happens when hot molecules collide with cooler ones. Metals are great conductors, they love sharing heat, while wood and plastic are more like heat-shy introverts. Insulators are like cozy blankets, they keep heat from escaping. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do like, comment and subscribe. Do share with young curious minds to